Hey guys, hope you are staying safe in this pandemic situation. And recently when I was surfing internet, I came to know that there is a book of Bhagat Singh known as Bhagat Singh, Pakistan's unsung hero. I am extremely surprised by seeing this because at the time when the book was written, India and Pakistan both were hardcore enemies of each other. And to my surprise, this book was written by Pakistani author Arsalan Ashraf. Is it easy to declare a non Muslim as a hero in Pakistan? Can you even imagine that? Can you believe it? Yes, guys, you must because this book is available online and the link is in description below. One more thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that there are few political organizations of Pakistan demanding that Bhagat Singh should be honored by Nisan-e-Haidar. You can also call this Nissan-e-Haidar. What is it? We can say that it is Pakistan ka Bharat Ratna, the most prestigious award in Pakistan, and everyone can't get this. So today, I'm not going to tell you about his biography or biography of some other guy. Today, we are going to see some of the statements of Bhagat Singh from the book Why I Am an Atheist and Other Words. From those statements, you can see that Bhagat Singh's ideology and thinking is not like typical human being. And the first statement is revolution requires neither the emotion nor the death, but the life of constant struggle, suffering, and sacrifice. Crush your individuality first. Shake off the dreams of personal comfort. Then start to work. Inch by inch, you shall have to proceed. It needs courage, perseverance, and very strong determination. And the next statement is taken from chapter 9, that is, when Sukhdev thought of suicide. In this statement, Bhagat Singh shared his opinion about revolutionary. And the statement goes like this. People like us, who are proud to be revolutionary in every scene, should always be prepared to bear all the difficulties, anxieties, pain and suffering which we invite upon ourselves by the struggles initiated by us and for which we call ourselves as a revolutionary. And the next statement, short life of struggle with no such magnificent end shall in itself be the reward, if I have the courage to take it in that light. That is all, with no selfish motive or desire to be awarded here or hereafter. Quite disinterestedly, have I devoted my life to the cause independence? And the next statement, once Sukhdev asked Bhagat Singh whether love ever proved helpful to any man, and for that, Bhagat's reply was yes, because love always elevates the character of man. It never lowers him, provided love be loved. You can't call these girls mad people, as we generally say in films, lovers. They always play in the hands of animal passions. And I may tell you that a young man and a young girl can love each other, and with the aid of their love, they can overcome the passion in themselves and can maintain their purity.